How to change Wi-Fi network on Ring Doorbell. The first thing you need to do is to open the Ring app. So start by opening your app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account associated with your doorbell. Now, once you are, all you need to do is just go ahead and select your device. So tap the menu icon, which is at the top left here, and then head into devices. And then once you're on devices, head into front door and simply click on this option. Now, once you've clicked on the front door, all you need to do here is just simply access your device health. So once you've clicked on it, just head into device health, click on change Wi-Fi network, and simply change your Wi-Fi network. So tap change Wi-Fi network or reconnect to Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your doorbell into setup mode, and then simply connect to a new network. So you could just simply connect to a new network by switching over to a new network, and then you can now instantly confirm the connection. Once it's connected, the doorbell will show a solid white light and you'll receive a confirmation message on the app. All right, guys.